You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, meaning Mexico City or Mexico City in Spanish. Let's learn how to pronounce it in Spanish from Spain. In central Spain in particular, they would say it as Ciudad. Ciudad, with the first C pronounced like TH and the D at the end pronounced like a TH as well. So Ciudad de México. Mexico. You want to stress on the first syllable, and the H is pronounced H. The J sound, just like a J. H. You can replace it with an H in English, Mexico. So, in Mexico itself, Mexican Spanish, Ciudad de México. Ciudad de México. You can say it that way. You cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly. You can say Ciudad, with a stress on the second syllable, Ciudad de México. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.